Yes, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Today is March 30. Gusto kong batiin si Mr. Romeo M. Cruz ng happy birthday. At ito pong song na ito ay dedicated po sa inyo, galing sa inyong wife na si Ate Babes. And of course, dun sa mga nagsiselebrate ng birthday din this March, para po sa inyong lahat. Someone who cares, someone who dares to love you, someone who thinks enough of you to always be willing to share. Someone who cares, someone who lives inside you, someone who'll be strong beside you through all the days that we met. I've made up my mind that you're gonna love me. I've made in my heart a soft place for you. Come lie with me, dream with me, sleep while the morning is here. Someone who dreams of being your mind tomorrow, sharing your joys and your sorrows, helping you see what it means to be loved.